In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create and add your own prayers in the Bible app. First, we're going to navigate to our Bible app. If you see down here on the bottom right corner for the More button, now you can see there's lots of things we can do in the Bible app. But today we're going to focus on this one right here under Prayer. And once you click on Prayer, you can see that you can make prayer a habit. You can do your prayer list, click on your prayer list, you can click on your answered prayers. I don't think I've put any of that in mine, but you can click the little thing here that says add prayer. When you do that, it's going to give you the option. This larger text is going to be like your overarching theme, if you will, or your title to your prayer, and then you can add details. So this is where you add them, and then you save. And once you have that, now you can go to Answered. You can click on each one and pray them. And you'll come up in your daily habits as well. And that is how you can add your own personalized prayers to the Bible app for you to pray through and mark as answered, and keep track of the things that you are praying for and the things that God is answering for. I'd like to add prayer to your daily habit for your daily reminders. In this space here, let me back out of there. So this is from your daily Bible reading, and the third one is the guided prayer. If you would like it to be in that section, what you do is come down here, and on one of the slides you will see that it says add prayer. So you can add prayer here, and then it will come up every day. So see, I have this one and this one, and it will come up in your prayers for you to be reminded to pray them as well. I hope you have a great day. God bless you.